Adaptive radiation is equivalent to divergent evolution. Divergent evolution means when an organism starts from one common point and diverges to various conditions. Now, if we are considering this common point to be as common ancestor, these common ancestors were subjected to various challenges bestowed by our nature, because of which they have adapted. Now, these adaptations could be based on the kind of challenge which was put. One such example we will be taking as finches. Finches which were present on Galapagos Island, which is present in west coast of South America. Galapagos Islands are a group of 22 islands. Now, 22 islands are small islands which are in common present as Galapagos Island, which is present in the west coast of South America, and here finches are there. Now, Darwin happened to take a voyage with the help of a ship named as HMS Beagle. In this ship, when he went to Galapagos Island and observed these finches, he found out about 20 different types of finches were present, and their differences were based on beaks, the shape and size of beaks. Now, in this question we started off with common ancestor radiating out to form new species based on adaptation. We could consider the challenge posed by the nature is food. Availability of food when differs, the organism improvises, organism changes, tries to do something new and tries to exist in the environment. Now, assume a condition when the fruit eating finches, these finches originally were fruit eating finches were not getting enough amount of fruits. Then what else they could eat? They could have become seed eating type, they could have become insect eating type, they could have become fish eating type, or they might even decide to migrate. They might decide to migrate and go to a new land to find out certain food. So, on this basis you could identify different types of food habits could have changed the beak shape and sizes. For example, if you consider a bird who eats seed needs small beaks but very tough beaks, whereas an insect eating or a fish eating type of birds which is carnivorous in nature will require beaks something like that of eagle and very sharp pointed. Even their eyes should be sharp so that they can easily strike onto their prey. So, this is how one species convert into new species is known as adaptive radiation.